Hi guys, welcome back. This video is exciting because I am going to eat a fruit I have never eaten. Cape gooseberry or Peruvian groundcherry. This one's ripe. And this one's pretty ripe. Let's first eat the little ripe one. Rip off this. It's still green. Actually, tastes like tomato. That's not pretty ripe. Not pretty ripe, but still tomato taste. How about the ripe one? The same color actually. Okay, that was pretty sweet. It was tiny. So, this cover is not edible. You can see that. And that's the end of this video. That taste was like tomatoes. Inside was tiny tomato-like seeds. This green, I think it will get more ripe. So, bye-bye.